Hi, Kushi.
Hi.
Kushi, you can keep your video and voice on.
Okay.
So, first of all, you told me that you've just started, but in your form, I saw that you have been preparing from 2025 August. Is that a
Yeah.
typo or it's true? You have?
No. Yeah. Actually, I have given cat last year also.
Yeah, I read that. So that was the percentile, 60 percentile.
No.
How much
My
was it?
last year cat it was 7%.
Okay. So you gave just like that, na? You were not able to like really prepare.
Yeah. No, I have prepared. I don't know what happened in exam. When English से I mean जब English का section start हुआ, मैंने paper खोला and I go through the questions, but I don't know what happened to the English section. I was not able to pick the right answer. I mean, half of the time I have wasted in one or two answers. I have stuck in the RCs. After that, when I attempted 10 to 12 questions and automatically paper got submitted, then the DILR section came up. And still I was thinking about English that I have not attempted that much questions that I have to attempt.
Right.
Yeah. After that, in
Quant.
DILR, yeah, no, not DILR. In DILR, I have tried to make the last set of circular arrangement. I tried that it will be because I have practiced those sets of circular arrangement. But when something like it is saying that it is a 10 times, so I got confused in how it will be. Still, I am trying to those are toggling into the sets that way which sets should I pick. So after that, when the quants appear, I thought that
And everything is already ruined, so why try?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
But then you touched almost 57 percentile in your mocks recently.
yeah. No, not recently. Last year, I haven't given any mock recently.
So now you're restarting from where you left.
Yeah, actually, I'm a little bit confused also because currently I'm doing a job
Yeah.
and I don't know. I have to quit my job because with job I can't manage anything. I'm not able to study anything for the gap. One or two questions which one of my friend Soumya, maybe you
Yeah,
know
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Uh, so
But
if
that is
she said,
like very, very less. Matlab you're not able to put in good amount of time, like not even 1 hour every day right now. That's the
yeah,
difficulty.
right, yeah, right,
Okay, got it, got it. But you are aiming for CAT 26. You wanna make it happen, right?
yeah, I want to.
Got it. So Khushi, let's start from a Khush note. Yeah, you are a girl. You have you're a non-engineer, and you have at least 6 months of work ex if we stick around with the job, 3 months plus 3 months. So profile wise, so you're solid. I mean, you do get diversity advantage, and just by some magic, if you are able to touch 90, you doors to the top IIMs will open. So there is this advantage that we can play on. है ना? तो diversity advantage तो है. So that is one good thing to start on.
I
Like
also have EWS.
superb. See, so the thing is that let's just use that information as a little boost, but at the same time, 90 तो खुद ही लाना पड़ेगा. So that is a good advantage. But दूसरा,
Yeah,
you have seen the entire syllabus, you have given the test, you know what is required. All right, you just have a bad experience and you are not putting in effort. So that is the main issue here. Next, you have given 6 to 7 mock test, and I will talk about what to do after giving a mock test. But I just want to verify that you have these 6, 7 mock tests are all old news last year, correct?
all old.
Correct. So Khushi, first and foremost, now don't leave the job, stick around, and by the time you will face your interviews in Feb, you will have like good stuff to talk about. It's not a night duty, right? It's
Yeah,
normal.
it's
It is night.
that's why. Yeah, that's why.
Mm.
And it is
So,
too tiring. It is almost 12-hour shift. I'm
yeah.
really very
Why are you
frustrated with
awake
that.
right now? Because it's a weekend.
Sorry.
How are you awake right now? It's a weekend. Were you working Friday last night?
Yeah, I worked till 5. I worked, and that's why I have given you the time of 1:30 so that
Yeah.
I can easily
Yeah.
wake up. That's why.
Uh, Khushi, walk me through your routine.
My routine is basically I have to leave for the office by 6 because my cab arrived at 6 almost.
6 p.m.
And
in the evening.
yeah, it's 6 p.m. in the evening. And then I came home in the morning, 5:30 a.m.
6 मान लो, 6 to 6 you're working.
Yeah, it's a 12-hour shift and it is very tiring. I'm not able to cope up with that. That's why I'm leaving this job in this September. Actually, my job is like a contractual. Okay. So I want to, the workplace is very good, no doubt. The colleagues are very good. Because of that, I'm not leaving. I'm leaving because I'm not able to prepare for CAT. And everyone knows that doing 20 to 30,000 job is not giving you anything. And
See, it's just
it,
good stuff to talk about in your interview. So ऐसा नहीं है कि it's not giving you anything because when you talk to a fresher in an interview, even though they have 95 percentile, what do you damn talk about? But now that you have even 3 months, 4 months, 6 months of work experience, at least there is some ground to have some kind of a conversation. But anyway, you
yeah,
continue.
yeah. So I was confused with that I should quit my job or not. I should quit. But last night I decided to quit my job in September 15 because it is not possible for me to look into both. Okay,
Got it.
because doing a 12-hour shift and then my sleep schedule is also not good that I can easily able to cope up with that.
Yeah,
So
correct.
these are the things. And 15th September is my last working day, I thought. And after that, I'll go back to my hometown because currently now I'm in Gurgaon. Okay.
Okay.
So, yeah, after that, I will go back to
Yeah,
hometown and then I'll start preparing for CAT. But
right.
I'm still confused that is it possible to prepare within 2.5 months for CAT?
Correct. 100% it is possible, and that is what our objective is. So there is no doubt about it. And because you're moving to hometown, food is sorted, sleep is sorted. So at least you don't have to worry about that. And it takes guts to even think about what you want to prioritize. So that's good.
Yeah.
But dude, walk me through after 6 a.m. I guess you are sleeping, you're catching up on your sleep. And after that, 6 p.m. happens. So that's what happening, correct?
Yeah,
Take it.
true.
Okay.
I wake up yesterday I wake up at 2 or 3 p.m. and
Mhm.
then I go on and fresh up
Yeah.
and then after I have some food. After that I have to go to take bath and then again ready for the office and go back to office.
Correct. I
Hardly
understand.
I got 1 hour and in that 1 hour I have to talk to my family as well, my some relatives as
Got
well,
it.
those who are here. So yeah.
Correct. So, Khushi, first and foremost, now you don't need to make notes. Just सुन लो. I will share you a nice report. But अब से ना every day counts. ठीक है? Even today. So we're not gonna wait till 15 to go all in. We will plan what to do till 15th and what to do after 15th. ठीक है? Not gonna waste any more time and not gonna rethink about our decision. Leave that job. Fuck that job. If that is not important, it's not important. You have already decided. Now, एक बार ना आराम से we will go through the three sections and we will talk about how to go ahead with it. So,
Hmm?
first and foremost, is there a lot of background noise from my side?
No, no.
Okay.
That's
So, Khushi, first of all, now in reading comprehension,
okay.
obviously the only skill is how well you're able to read and how well you're able to actually answer whatever the writer is thinking. You have to get into their mind, and that is the only skill that we need to master. Then there comes para jumbles, para summary, odd one out, and to be honest, it's very tricky unless you are getting them completely correct, odd one out, and all of that. This is what worked for me when I was giving my CAT exam, and this is what I would suggest because there's only 3 months left. Entirely leave VA. Okay, just forget about odd one out, forget about para jumbles. Only focus on para summary because it's like a mini RC only. As soon as you sit in your cab, you have to just take a PDF of one good RC. It should be CAT level or an advanced level, and just open it on your phone. Now, this is what you're gonna do. Every time you see an RC, read the paragraph, not the entire thing. It's not a novel. Read the first paragraph and have, like, if you cannot in the cab, you cannot write it on a paper. Open your WhatsApp chat or open your notes and just write in 4 5 words in a line. What did you really understand about that particular paragraph? Go back to the RC, read the second paragraph, and do the same thing. So, if there are 5 paragraphs, after reading every paragraph, you will be making a small, very small note of what the author is talking about. For example, I tell you thousand things about a protester who is facing a lot of difficulties, asking the government to change some law. Government is not listening. But at the end of the day, you will write protest on educational reforms. That's it. So there are two advantage. One, your mind knows that I'm not just reading. I have to tell my master
Interpret.
what I have read, and that's why I have to be more attentive. Second, when we go through the questions, it should help us to navigate through the passage better, but it doesn't, and it's not a quiz, so it doesn't have to be correct. So just write something about that paragraph. Now that you have read the paragraph, go to the questions. And obviously, Khushi, not all questions are as easy as possible, but there are some questions which, and it's all gut feeling. So you have to see that what question feels like the right one to attempt. When you read the question, your only objective is to eliminate options. If you can eliminate two options, awesome. And those two options, if the answer is not in those two options, we are getting somewhere. So at least we are able to eliminate two bad options. And then, Khushi, you have to trust your gut feeling. Whatever voice comes in your head for the first time, it's usually correct. So have just observe if you eliminated A and B, observe your mind is saying C, then you overthink and then you take D, but that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. But if C is correct and your gut feeling did say that, you are in the right path. Okay. If you're able to eliminate two options, great. We have achieved something in 1 week. If you're able to, if your gut feeling is able to answer whatever you mark, that is not important. But if your gut feeling was saying that and that is the correct answer, so always when you're taking the right A, cross B. I'm marking B, but I felt A for the first time. Okay. Now third, always eliminate the third option. Always find who is wrong. Between the two options that are left, don't pick the right one, remove the wrong one. Try to eliminate, try to find the red flags in that option and then go with the fourth one. Correct? And Khushi, even if it takes the entire cab route, even if you spend 40 minutes, 1 hour on just one RC every day for the next 10 days, let's take a target of next 8 days. 8 days, you're going to do 7 RCs. All right, promise. And every day, you're going to do one RC, entire in the cab route. There is no clock ticking. And just figure it out. What are the four? Uh, what I think are the four combination of options. Now you're done. Resume your office work. Do whatever you want to do, and then whenever in the lunch break or whenever you find a small time, upload it and look at the answer key. Obviously, they're wrong. So what? We are not gonna waste a lot of time in deliberating, pondering over what is happening. Not going to be an emotional fool. Only going to be a scientist and surprise us that where can I how high can I fly in just 3 months? Let's take it as a challenge. Then put it in Chat GPT, Claude, with whatever AI tool you have, and have a fucking debate with it. Fight with it. That why the fuck is option B correct when I thought option C is correct? All right. And even if you spend, you will feel like, why is this dude telling me to spend one hour in one RC, spend another half an hour in just analyzing? Because Kushi, that's how you develop that mindset. If you do it for 8 days, now those 7 RCs will teach you more than 70 RCs you would have done otherwise. So just trust me and do this. And Ignore VA. It doesn't exist. In that 40 minutes, I'm gonna eat 4 RCs, and unless you increase your attempt, you're never gonna touch 90, bro. So we can't be selective. We have to gamble. Okay? So we will attempt. We'll attempt good. If you go with 3 questions and you get one correct, you at the end came out with just 1 mark, plus 3 minus 1 minus 1. If you attempt 10 and you got 6 incorrect, you understand my point, right? 12 minus 6, you got 6 marks. So we have to gamble. That's the only way. है ना? And for the heck of it, the first mock that you give after 8 days, attempt 100% of RCs, ignore VA, don't even look at them except para summary if you get time. So this is your RC. Okay? And no one is an expert. No bloody one is an expert. We just need to outperform top. If we need to outperform 90% of the people sitting there. Okay? Okay? And don't think my target is 75, 80. No, achieve high, dude. Aim for 90. That is our target. Every day when you're sleeping, sorry, every morning when you're sleeping, please manifest that today I've done this. I'm gonna get freaking 90 percentile this time. That's it. Okay? Without taking tension, yeah. Similarly, let's move to DILR. Anything else, Khushi, you want to add?
Yeah, actually, when I'm attempting the RC, the questions which are like critical reasoning based, I'm not familiar to that questions. I mean, I don't know how to handle those questions and how to find answers of those questions. So basically, the critical reasoning part is little bit. I was trying to avoid those sections,
Avoid it.
and
Yeah.
instead of doing those questions, I was switching into VA like para summary and odd one out because these are theta based. So I was thinking that if I got time, so I can fill in
But odd
numbers.
one out हो रहा है. Have you done any odd one out? Have you gotten it correct?
Yeah, I gotten it correct, but not most of the time. Sometime it happens. Like I have solved an RC last night in my office. I was sometime free. That's why I have taken one RC of CAT 25 only and try to able to solve. And para summary questions are being correct. The summarized questions, which are going to be in a reference based, what are the references on this, and except one questions that these are supporting statements and
Yes.
except
Yes.
yeah,
Those you're getting correct?
those
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
getting correct.
Good. Because to be honest, na Khushi, there is no course, there is no logic, there is no formula. It's just about your gut feeling. So now let's do A/B testing for next 8 days. You're anyway going to do this homework of doing one RC in your cab and pushing it into a debate model, either using your video solutions or text solutions or any AI tool that you have access to. And second, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you are good at parajumbles and I'm bad. That's why I'm suggesting you this. So
No.
no, but still do like an A/B testing on one day when you're feeling good and you have some time. Just pick 5 parajumble, 5 odd one out, and you pick five sets of all five questions of all these types. Just type in Google cat odd one out type questions, and if you're getting all 5 wrong now, dude, just wake up, have a reality check, and forget about that. And there is no option of forgetting about RC. So please put all your eggs in that basket. You have to focus on RC. If you are some miracle child who has odd one out always correct, 4 out of 5 are correct, then great, dude, you have an advantage there. So that you can keep in last 10 minutes. First 30 minutes, pure RC. There is no doubt about it, and you have to trust me for next 8 days. This is what you're gonna do.
And
Yeah.
last time with what had last time, so I was afraid of RC, so I thought that I shouldn't attend RCs and I should go with VA. So I started practicing VA, that's why.
That's so criminal, dude. No. But कोई बात नहीं ना मतलब the idea is that nobody knows the answers. Even Khushi doesn't
Yeah.
know where Khushi is right now. So we are all just trying to help her figure out. So you
Yeah.
do that, but there is no other option but to master RC. And once you have given 7 RCs, or let's say 6 यार, one day you slept more, office में कुछ हो गया, cab में कुछ हो गया, but at least 6 RCs you have to do in next 8 days. And then the beauty comes when you, on the seventh day, You pick those six RCs again, don't look at the solutions, reattempt them, and let's see how much your mind is able to recapitulate, how much your mind is able to really get to a level where you didn't just understand the logic, but you retained the patterns. Okay? So if you do that, that will give you a lot of good advantage. And how will we see it? We will see it on 1st of September when we will do one mock test. Okay, that will be our first pure, beautiful mock test of this year, and that will be our base. That this is where I'm starting, and let's see where can I reach in next 3 months. And it's gonna happen. Okay, just touch 80, somehow touch 80. From 80 to 90, I promise you will be surprised how fast you can go. ठीक है, ये जो इमेज है ना हमारी नॉन 80 वाली, this 67, the 70, these are such ugly numbers that एक बार 80 टच होते ही ना things will pick up for sure. अच्छा, second, DILR में भी ना, DI is okay, DI is nothing, it's just calculation, and at the end of the day, if you just do a few sets, you will realize that this is not as scary as I thought it to be. And LR, I know even I find some sets so damn difficult. I'm like, why are they putting it in CAT exam? Because maybe that's what they want to test in future managers of India. Like they want to kind of see how well we are able to figure out, how to put in our efforts in office also. In our jobs, there are so many things that we can do, but we prioritize highest ROI task at first. So similarly, when I was also giving CAT 2016, I was like slaying in verbal, and I was very sure about DLR because it was my, uh, you know, it was my good. Quant was my favorite section, but DLR was not my worst section. Verbal was. So that year, after half an hour was gone, I only attempted 6 questions. I left my job. My mom, my girlfriend then, they were all rooting for me. And imagine the kind of things that were going on in my mind. And I managed to just scrape through 2 more questions. So I'm a guy who attempted 12 to 15 questions in a set, and here I am with just 7 questions. But 40 minutes baad mein it's gone. It's like old news now. So I slayed in quant, dude. I got 99.9 percentile in quant, and that overall gave me 98.3. And I got 92 in DILR at that year, and I was crying throughout my way coming back in cab because I thought I really fucked up in DILR. So you do understand na ki it's okay. I just have to be emotionally more confident. I have to act mature, and this is what they're trying to judge. So let's see. And once you've given at least 10 mocks now before 29th of November, you will not even feel any anxiety because every mock you have to treat like it's a CAT exam. It's like the original exam. Take a nice shower, wear nice clothes, sit in front of a laptop and do it like this is it. This is my CAT 2026 paper. You know? But not now. After 3, 4 mocks, you go to that level, touch 80, okay? Now in DLR also now, this is your homework. I know it's too much because you can't really write when your cab is going on, so you can't do that. But that is your next step, okay? If you can manage on a Sunday, try to do one good LR set, try to do one DI set, and just to say hi to them that dude, we're gonna meet
Uh,
again. Yeah.
should I once I'm going to attend those questions, okay. So should I see the answers and then after I can attempt the set, or should I not even don't see an answers and then
No, Kushi, see the answers. After you complete one set, do the 4 questions and then look at the answer. Okay? We are not talking about a whole sectional where you are attempting 5, 6 DILR sets. No. Just every day, one RC for next 8 days. And then if time permits, if you have the bandwidth, ideally I want you to do one LR set and one verbal set every day. बट वो आप अपने हिसाब से देखोगे व्हेन यू कैन जॉइन इन एटलीस्ट कहीं से तो शुरू करो एटलीस्ट वर्बल का एक आरसी सेक्शन तो शुरू करो एंड देन ऐड एलआर टू इट एंड मे बी एवरी सेकेंड डे यू कैन ऐड अ डीआई सेट ऑल्सो बट डीआई इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम एलआर को थोड़ा सा सीरियसली लेना है एंड देन वी आर जस्ट प्रिपेयरिंग आवर सेल्फ टू बी एबल टू फेस द फर्स्ट मॉक when we reattempt. ठीक है अब उसमें ना there is a layer of complexity that once obviously you're not able to solve, half an hour is gone, leave it, go have a walk, drink water, watch something, talk to a friend, come back like a detective, redo it. even that whole day is about that LR set, it's fine. Like a detective, keep on working on it till the time you're able to not. If you're not able to figure out, this is it. Give up. Don't waste your time. Go to the solution. Look at the solution. Once you get a aha moment, oh, this is how they're organizing the information. Let me try it again. Leave the solution midway. Come back. Get to the final answers. This will boost your confidence. This will actually create new neural networks. If you're still not able to do it, go back to the solution. That is fine. And again, after you've covered 6 LR sets, sit on a nice, bright, sunny day, complete those 6 sets again in one sitting. And if your mind is able to, I know it sounds like, why am I doing them again? Obviously, I'm going to do it. But no, dude, if you're able to calculate, if you're able to take the right options, even with 80% accuracy, that is when you know that you have understood the logic and you're not just doing it for the heck of it. Okay? Will you do that? That's your homework, okay? Now talking about quant, dude, it's 9th and 10th maths, and this has to be your sharpest weapon. I know that verbal is going to be a challenge, and our job is to just touch 80-85 percentile there. DILR is a challenge for even God. Even he can't solve all the questions. So you have to aim to touch 85 to 90, just somehow just scrape through 90. Quant is something you have to make your best friend Kushi. Touch 95 and you will be golden. You will get overall 90 percentile. And I'm telling you, you have the advantage. Maybe you'll get a call at 90. All the calls that you ever wanted. ठीक है? So quant अब से हमारा best friend बनने वाला है. And in quant, the idea is there is a way. हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
Actually, I don't know. I'm studying arithmetic. Okay. But when I'm attempting the arithmetic question, I don't know what happens. When I read the question, I guess it will work for me and I'll able to solve it. But somewhere how I stuck on that question or not able to, sometimes I'm not able to understand the language of the question. Most of the time, it happens with me on arithmetic. And I'm stuck between that if my English is weak or my quantitative aptitude is weak. That's why I'm not able to
I don't
solve
think
RCM.
English is weak. That is never an issue. The thing is that how do you symbolically write down the information? For example, if I'm saying that someone sold a TV for 20% profit, I will just have to write CP equals to X and SP is equals to 1.20X. And then I will not read that thing. Then I'll go, if someone increased the CP by some number and then they decreased it by 50%, I will write SP dash equals to 0.50 CP. Don't sleep midway, okay? So the idea is that you have to symbolically write down that information. And once you get two variables, two equations, you're gonna solve it. And probably the only way is to keep on doing it, because you'll figure out that I don't even need to find out. Maybe sometimes the options are shouting and screaming 17. As soon as I get 17.1, I will take 17.12 one option. I don't need to go to point 1. If there are 15, 16, 17, 18, I will just tick 17. Or if there are, what is the maximum value of a plus b, I'll just put the maximum option and see if it is working out. So खुशी ये ना करके ही आएगा. Don't give your be very conscious of what you're telling your brain. It's always listening, especially yours, because it's awake at nights. It has to be or at some other quantum level or but the thing is, अपने आप को ना ऐसे बोलना है that dude, I'm starting now. This 22nd is when I restarted my preparation. Every day I'm doing one RC, even though doing a demanding job. After that, I've added LR, superb. Now every day, this might sound too much, but keep a target of 15th of September when you reach home. You will do every topic. So you don't have to cover all the topics, okay? Arithmetic and algebra, which by the way, I think you are slaying at algebra because that you have not ticked as your problem. So
Yeah.
amazing. Good. So arithmetic and algebra covers 70% of the entire syllabus. ठीक है? So बस वही करेंगे. ठीक है? Profit and loss, time, speed, distance, time and work. है ना?
No, I was thinking that in arithmetic I should attempt like percentage profit loss,
Yes.
time and work,
Yes.
and average question and
Yes. Time, speed,
SICM.
distance.
Okay,
SIC है, टाइम
TSD.
स्पीड डिस्टेंस।
Yeah,
बिल्कुल, हाँ।
no, not TSD
TSDB,
because
TSDB, it's very easy, हाँ, बोलो बोलो, because
no, it is not easy because I mean, TSD consists lot of content, lot of topics, and I got confused in those topics that like race one,
हाँ,
and
ठीक है,
that
ठीक है,
uh,
सर्कुलर,
circular
या,
one, circular
ठीक है, ठीक है,
one,
ठीक है।
that meeting, after meeting, before meeting.
हाँ, बट इट्स वेरी सिंपल यार, डूड। अच्छा, सर्कुलर मोशन हटा दो, बट
Yeah.
races, if I leave the office 6 hours early, I'll reach. Everything is distance is equals to speed into time, dude. It's so simple. You just have pre notions about them, and it's not true. Don't worry, ठीक है? TSD भी अपनी लिस्ट में ऐड करो। एंड एलजेब्रा यू आर ऑलरेडी डूइंग इट। थोड़ा सा ना ज्योमेट्री और थोड़ा सा नंबर सिस्टम भी कर लेते हैं। मॉडर्न मैथ्स छोड़ देते हैं। पीएनसी, प्रोबेबिलिटी, सेट थ्योरी, वेन डायग्राम सबको
हाँ,
छोड़ देते
वो
हैं,
तो मैं
है
वो
ना?
नहीं कर रही
हाँ, ठीक
हूँ।
है,
I'm not
कोई
doing
जरूरत नहीं
हाँ।
है। हमें करना ही नहीं है खुशी। यू आर नॉट अ स्नाइपर, यू आर नॉट एमिंग फॉर वन टारगेट एंड स्पेंडिंग hours. You're a machine gun, ठीक है? You have to just eat. Again, you just have to be like this hungry person who are just picking up the lowest hanging fruits in first 30 minutes and then last 10 minutes, because you're so awesome at geometry, you're so good at number system that you're able to attempt those questions also. ठीक है? तो modern maths हटा दिया, but you will do TSD and the complete arithmetic. You have already done algebra. You will cover geometry, which is coordinate geometry.
No, right now I haven't done the algebra, but
अच्छा, ठीक है.
because I'm telling you that understanding of my algebra is more better than the arithmetic.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Acha, what I will do is I will send you. Okay, do it in this way. I'll send you geometry ka 1 hour ka video, and
Okay.
whenever you will do it, I don't know, but you will do it because you're an adult and you're responsible for your own success. You will do
Okay.
number system, ठीक है? 1.5 hour का है. After watching that video, whatever you're able to grasp, just grasp. ठीक है? अगर नहीं हो पाता तो नहीं हो पाता, छोड़ देना। ट्राई तो करके देख
Okay.
यार, ऐसे मत छोड़, है ना? तो
Hmm.
उसमें क्या है कि अगर जैसे इफ यू काइंड ऑफ लाइक यूलर फॉर्मेट ये सब क्या है तो वो छोड़ देना, बट
Hmm.
लास्ट टू डिजिट, रिमाइंडर थ्योरम, ये सब इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है कि सब कुछ नहीं छोड़ना है, ठीक है? 0-1 का गेम नहीं है। थोड़ा 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 सब कुछ करना है, भगवान पे छोड़ देना है कि उस दिन किस तरह के एग्जाम्स में वैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। तो यू गोना, हाँ बोलो बोलो, क्या बोलना था?
And one more FOMO that this year I am Indore is making paper, right? And the paper, I have seen the I am Indore sample papers.
सो
It was really, I think that it is very difficult. That's the
यार,
one. And English, it is really good level of English. Cat
खुशी कोर्स
2022.
कंप्लीट हुआ नहीं है और आप सोच रहे हो कौन पेपर बना रहा है? यार छोड़ दो यार, प्लीज। इट डजेंट मैटर डूड, इट्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर एवरीवन ना। तो परसेंटेज तो लाना ही नहीं है ना, परसेंटाइल लाना है। ये सब फालतू की चीजें सोचनी नहीं है, कौन से एग्जाम्स के फॉर्म भरूं, एमबीए में कैसी सैलरी होनी चाहिए, मार्केटिंग में मेजर करूं या स्ट्रैटेजी में मेजर करूं, ये सब नहीं सोचना ब्रो। बी लाइक अ हॉर्स हु कैन ओनली सी हिज और हर मॉक परसेंटाइल, ठीक है? टिल नवंबर 29 you're not gonna think about anything else, बस मॉक में 90 टच करना है, ठीक है?
मुझे एक चीज और पूछनी थी आप मुझे ये अभी से लेके 29 ऑफ नवंबर तक का आप स्टडी प्लान बना के दोगे मुझे
मैं दे दूंगा, ठीक है,
हाँ
मैं दे दूंगा। बट अभी ना
तो
सुनो, आप क्या करोगे ये सुन लो। पहले तो आप एलआर सेट आज से शुरू कर रहे हो, आज नहीं, चलो ठीक है, कल से शुरू कर रहे हो, ठीक है? रोज एक एलआर सेट करना ही करना है, ठीक है? ओ सॉरी,
हाँ
आरसी सेट करना ही करना है ना? एलआर अभी नहीं हो पाएगा। आरसी सेट करना
हम्म,
है और उसको मजे में
हम्म,
करना है, फोन पे देखकर कि मैं कितना मैनेज कर पा रही हूँ, और ऑफिस में आधा घंटा अपने लिए लेना है और उसको डिस्कस करना है एआई टूल के साथ, ठीक है? सेकंड, जैसे ही टाइम मिलेगा किसी संडे या फिर सैटरडे,
हम्म,
एक एलआर सेट से शुरू कर देना है, एंड बाय 15th of September यू गोना गो ऑल इन। हर दिन आपको एक आरसी और एक एलआर सेट तो करना ही करना है, नो क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड।
ठीक
सेकंड,
है
आपको हर क्वांट टॉपिक के 10 to 12 क्वेश्चंस करने हैं जो आपको पसंद है, ठीक है? देर इज अ स्टार रेटिंग, उसको या तो 2 स्टार देना है, 3 स्टार देना है। 3 स्टार मतलब आई एम स्लेइंग एट इट, 2 स्टार मतलब कुछ कुछ आ रहा है अभी करना है, और 1 स्टार हो गया कि मेरे को नफरत है इन टॉपिक से, पीएनसी, प्रोबेबिलिटी, तो उनको छोड़ दो। अब हमारा
हाँ
गेम,
मुझे नहीं पता
हाँ, है ना? तो हमारा सारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि 2 स्टार को हमें कैसे 3 स्टार बनाना है, और उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 12 क्वेश्चंस दिए, वी गॉट 8 आउट ऑफ 12 करेक्ट, इट इज ऑलरेडी अ 3 स्टार टॉपिक। ठीक है, 12 आउट ऑफ 12 तो किसी के सही नहीं होते, मेरे सही नहीं होते, तो हमें करना ही नहीं है उतना। ठीक है।
And what
नाउ,
if
हाँ
12 out of 0 is correct? I
हाँ,
mean,
तो
it
फिर वो वन
happens.
स्टार है, तो आप हट जाओ फिर वहां से, आप आपके बस की नहीं है वो टॉपिक, फिर आप छोड़ दो वो टॉपिक, 0 आउट ऑफ 12।
हाँ,
ठीक है।
हाँ,
ठीक है ना। 1 स्टार, 2 स्टार, 3 स्टार। 1 स्टार की तो मैं
हम्म,
बात ही नहीं कर रहा, मैं 2 स्टार 3 स्टार की बात कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है।
हम्म,
चलो, अब मैं आपको ज्योमेट्री का एक टॉपिक दूंगा, 1 घंटे का वीडियो, नंबर सिस्टम का आपको 1.5 घंटे का वीडियो दूंगा, 1.5 आवर, और इसके अलावा टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस का दूंगा एक, वो एक बार देख लो यार, बहुत इजी है।
okay.
ठीक है। फिर इन तीनों को देखने के बाद, 7 RCs करने के बाद, 8th डे रिवाइज करने के बाद, 2-3 LR करने के बाद, 8th डे 2-3 LR को रिवाइज करने के बाद, फर्स्ट मॉक
हम्म,
टेस्ट देंगे 15th ऑफ, घर पहुंचते ही नेक्स्ट डे फर्स्ट मॉक देना है, दैट विल बी योर स्टार्टिंग
16.
पॉइंट, और वो मॉक देने के बाद मुझसे बात करना, जब भी
Okay.
एक लेवल पे पहुंच जाओ, है ना, तब आप मुझसे बात करना। अच्छा, अब इसके अलावा तो ये तो हो गई एग्जाम की बात, जैसे ही
हम्म,
मॉक टेस्ट दिया, 2 घंटे का
हम्म,
पेपर है, सुबह बैठे
हम्म,
हम 10 बजे, 10 से 12 हमने पेपर दे दिया, फिर थोड़ा
हम्म,
चिल आउट कर लिया, लंच कर लिया, बढ़िया घूम फिर लिए, वापस से बिना क्लॉक चलाए उस 2 घंटे के पेपर को वापस अटेम्प्ट करेंगे, देर इज नो क्लॉक दिस टाइम, है ना। और जो जो क्वेश्चन हमसे नहीं हुए थे उनको वापस ट्राई करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद एनालिसिस पे जाएंगे, फिर से 2 घंटे लगाएंगे, एंड वी विल सी क्या क्या हमारा गड़बड़ हुआ है, और उसको अच्छे से करेंगे। अगर हम केवल 5 मॉक्स दे पाते हैं, दैट इज
हम्म,
बेटर इफ दे आर एनालाइज्ड वेल देन 10-20 मॉक टेस्ट। ठीक है। एवरी मॉक टेस्ट इज लाइक योर ओन इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, है ना, तो यू गोना स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन दैट। एंड खुशी, आई प्रॉमिस वी कैन रीच टू 90, तो अपने माइंड को जब भी सो रहे हो ना, टेल इट गुड थिंग्स, दैट आई विल टच 90, आई विल सी वेयर आई कैन रीच इन दीज 3 मंथ्स। एक बार जब आप फर्स्ट मॉक दोगे, तो आपका आरसी के लिए एटीट्यूड ही चेंज हो जाएगा, बिकॉज यू विल फॉलो दिस whole entire area. I will give you all of this in a nice report. Give me time of today. रात तक I will send. But अपने आप को ना, when you talk to yourself, be more assertive, be more confident, and अगर आप ही अपने में बिलीव नहीं करोगे ना खुशी, तो कोई भी नहीं करेगा। तो अगर हम
हम्म,
90 टच कर जाते हैं, और हमारे पास वो ही एडवांटेज है जो एक जनरल इंजीनियर मेल को मिलता है 95 96 के अंदर, तो हम क्यों ना
हम्म,
यूज करें इस एडवांटेज को। ठीक है। अदर देन दैट, पुअर स्लीप तो आपका हो जाएगा ब्रो, कोई सीन नहीं है, अभी जॉब छोड़ दो, ये टॉक्सिक जॉब है आपका। फिर उसके बाद
हम्म,
इमोशनल स्ट्रेस भी आपका जो भी था ना, कि पुराना पीटीएसडी बोल लो या कुछ भी बोल लो, इट्स फाइन। ठीक है। तो अब हमें वी हैव टू सी एवरी टेस्ट एज 3 सेपरेट टेस्ट, एंड वी हैव टू स्ले इन वन एंड जस्ट मैनेज थ्रू 2। ठीक है ना। एंड फॉर यू दैट शुड बी क्वांट। ठीक है, वर्बल एंड डीएलआर 80 टच करना है, उसमें 90 अबव टच करना है, ओवरऑल 90 लेकर आना है। ठीक है। और फिर उसके बाद व्हाट टू स्टडी के अंदर भी, जैसे स्टडी प्लान, आई जस्ट क्विकली शो यू। अगर 3 मंथ्स की जहां तक बात है ना, तो मतलब आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट प्लान फॉर यू, लाइक अ डाइल्यूटेड प्लान, बट आई जस्ट
हम्म,
टेल यू ओवरऑल व्हाट इज माय एक्सपेक्टेशंस। Dude, if we start from September 1st, तो जैसे नंबर सिस्टम है, ठीक है, मान लो उस हफ्ते के अंदर इफ यू कवर वन टॉपिक ऑफ वन क्वांट टॉपिक, विच आई वांट टू डू नंबर सिस्टम, बट इट कुड बी profit and loss for you, then you have to do like 5 good sets in that week. ठीक है, 1 set every day and Sunday all revise, and maybe 5 RCs, and we are not doing any VA. Now, if you are able to do these in, let's say, 3 days, and you're able to do the assignments for these topics in next 3 days, and one day you keep for just mock, you are golden. No one can stop you. And I promise that consistently, if you do this, it will reward you. It is a process. And then maybe you can repeat that for at least first 6 weeks, so that your entire syllabus is complete. After that, these topics are like, lord, surds, indices, function, inequalities, modulus, these are all bonus. Parajumbles, we don't really need to. After that, you should all about mocks. Every day you will start with one mock in a week, After you reach 80 percentile, you will go with 2 mocks in a week. After, in the last 1.5 weeks, you will go all in. रोज एक मॉक देना है, रोज, हर दूसरे दिन देना है. Every second day you can give a mock and analyze on that alternate day. And mock के अंदर if you touch uh, somehow, if you touch 90, that is our only universe sign that we will get 90. तो मॉक में अगर नहीं आएगा तो मेन एग्जाम में कैसे आएगा ना, तो हमें मॉक में लेना ही लेना है. दैट इज, देयर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन. पर अभी के लिए बिल्कुल चिल है. एक आरसी से शुरू करो फर्स्ट वीक के अंदर. जैसे ही घर पहुंच जाओगे तब तक एक एलआर भी ऐड कर देना और एक टॉपिक के 10 to 12 गुड क्वेश्चंस भी ऐड कर देना. और
ओके
15. हाँ बोलो बोलो.
अभी से लेकर के मुझे डेली एक आरसी करना है एंड एक एलआर का सेट करना है.
अगर हो पाए तो, क्योंकि अभी वर्क चल रहा है इसलिए संडे को कर सकते हो, सैटरडे संडे. हाँ
हाँ, जैसे कल संडे मंडे मेरा वीक ऑफ होता है तो मैं
हाँ.
संडे मंडे ट्राई कर सकती हूँ उसको.
हम्म.
एंड क्वांट भी मैं संडे मंडे ही ट्राई
एक
करूंगी
टॉपिक
बिकॉज.
है ना, जैसे आज का थीम है प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, मान लो. उसके
ओके
10 नेट पे डालो, 10 गुड क्वेश्चंस ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. ठीक है.
ओके
विद वीडियो
ओके
सोल्यूशंस विद. और नहीं तो यू कैन गो टू माय वेबसाइट ऑल्सो, सब कुछ वहां पर भी है, imwalabanda.com. उसमें लेवल 1 वाले करो पहले. ठीक है.
आप
लेवल 1
मुझे
इज,
शेयर कर दोगे.
हाँ मैं कर दूंगा आपको सब कुछ. लेवल 1
हाँ.
इज बेसिक्स. वो आना ही आना है और वो बहुत आराम से आ जाएगा, तो कॉन्फिडेंट भी नहीं होना कि वाह मैंने कर लिया. फिर उसके बाद जाना है लेवल 2, विच इज प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. अब दोज आर टफ, बट ऊपर वीडियो है, उससे देख के समझ लो, जस्ट समझ लो, दैट्स इट. लेवल 2 के बाद रुक जाओ एंड देन सी हाउ यू फील अबाउट इट, 2 स्टार और 3 स्टार. इफ इट इज 2 स्टार, awesome, then we will go to level 3. if it is 3 स्टार, we're done. हमें ऑलरेडी आ गया है, हमें समझ आ रहा है लेवल 2, तो हम क्यों करें बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन. वी आर गोल्डन, है ना. तो जल्दी जल्दी वो कवर करना है. ठीक है. और अभी मैं आपको क्या भेजूंगा तुरंत, ज्योमेट्री, नंबर सिस्टम, ये बोनस है. ठीक है. आपकी मर्जी आप कब करोगे. एंड आई विल सेंड यू टाइम, स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस. दीज 3 आई विल सेंड यू. दिस इज लाइक 4 hours ऑफ वॉच टाइम. ठीक है. तो इसको आप करोगे इस सैटरडे संडे एक टॉपिक, अगले सैटरडे संडे एक टॉपिक, उसके अगले सैटरडे संडे एक टॉपिक. ठीक है. ये सब कर लो खुशी, फिर उसके बाद मिलेंगे तो ज्यादा हेल्प कर पाऊंगा. ऐसे ही उठ के आ जाओगे तो फिर बस मोटिवेट सा कर दूंगा, कोई फायदा नहीं है ना.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली हाँ.
बोलो.
एंड मैं ये पूछ रही थी जो स्ट्रैटेजी अभी आपने बताई है 1 RC 1 LR एंड 10 to 12 गुड क्वेश्चन इज फॉर 15th of September टिल राइट.
यस. नहीं मतलब मैं तो आपको ऐसे लेके चल रहा था कि अभी जॉब चल रहा है ना, तो उसके साथ साथ आप रोज नहीं कर पाओगे, तो 15 के बाद तो रोज ही करना है. टिल द
हाँ
टाइम
हाँ
आपने 10 क्वांट टॉपिक्स को स्टार रेटिंग दे दी, आपने 10 गुड आरसीज कर लिए, 10 गुड एलआर कर लिए, विच विल बी वे मोर, क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी आरसी शुरू कर चुके हो. बस कोई भी दिन
ओके.
ऐसा ना जाए कि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
हम्म.
बस. हाँ.
आई अंडरस्टैंड.
बस फिर मॉक टेस्ट देंगे. 15th इज योर कैट 2026 का डेट. घर जाकर अगले दिन फ्रेश माइंड से पहला मॉक देंगे.
ओके.
और फिर वो
हाँ
मॉक देने के बाद एक बार स्कोर वोर बताना. सेम आया तो मत बताना, कुछ अच्छा आया तो फिर लेट्स कनेक्ट अगेन. मजाक कर रहा हूँ, बट करना है यार, मतलब प्रोग्रेस तो देखनी है. मतलब
हाँ.
एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू विल ओनली सेव योरसेल्फ. हाँ बोलो बोलो.
मुझे पूछना था मुझे मॉक कौन से खरीदने चाहिए बिकॉज आई एम रियली कंफ्यूज इन दैट व्हिच मॉक शुड आई परचेज.
या कोई भी ले लो, मतलब आईएमएस या फिर आई क्वांटा या फिर कोई भी ब्रांड ले लो, किसी के भी मॉक दे दो. देखो मेरा तो ऐसा है कि मैं तो अपनी अपने मॉक्स भी बता सकता हूँ. ये भी सारे जो वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल है ना. फॉर एग्जांपल ये फर्स्ट मॉक जो है, ये क्लास, ये ना बोर्ड रूम जो है ना, बोर्ड रूम को अपना बेस्ट फ्रेंड बना लो. ठीक है. इसी इसी के अंदर जितने भी क्वांट के टॉपिक्स है ना, वो सारे 3 3 लेवल्स पे हैं. तो लेवल 1, लेवल 2, लेवल 3, आप बस लेवल 1 करते रहो. जैसे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस का लेवल 1 आप यहाँ से कर लो, टाइम एंड वर्क का आप लेवल 1 यहाँ से कर लो. ये मैं आपको अभी भेजूंगा ज्योमेट्री. फिर उसके बाद मैं आपको नंबर सिस्टम भी भेज दूंगा, है ना. तो ये तो आप अपना वो बना लो कि मेरे को करना ही है ना. फिर उसके बाद मॉक टेस्ट के अंदर ना, आई हैव वेरी केयरफुली मेड दीज फर्स्ट 3 मॉक टेस्ट एज लाइक जस्ट वन वन लेवल अबव कैट, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट कैट लेवल. फिर उसके बाद, एंड दीज आर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, है ना, तो आप अपने हिसाब से कर लो. बट देन ऑब्वियसली इफ यू गेट कॉन्फिडेंस ना एंड यू फील लाइक that 15th के बाद इफ यू फील लाइक कि हाँ आई वांट टू कवर एवरीथिंग टुगेदर, तो दिस इज द एंटायर प्लान, ठीक है। मतलब आप अगर मेरे पास आओगे वीक थर्ड के अंदर, लेट्स से ये तो सब गया, तो यहाँ से हम शुरू करेंगे सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट से, एंड एवरी फ्राइडे 8 to 10, सैटरडे संडे 4 to 6, तो दैट इज व्हेन आई एम स्टार्टिंग दिस बैच फ्रॉम फर्स्ट। तो इसके अंदर यू गेट एक्सेस टू ऑल द मॉक्स एनीवे, एंड if you get a good percentile, then everything is on me. Like we will prepare from December, it's gonna be super fun. We will prepare for all the selection criteria, and we'll do it every Tuesday and Thursday, 2 to 4. And all of this I have kind of kept it, all of this 6 months plan for 6,000. तो अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है that I am getting to a level on 15th, तो यू कैन ऑलवेज अप्रोच मी एंड यू कैन डू दैट। अदरवाइज अभी के लिए एक बार ये 3 मॉक्स दे दो, दीज आर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, एंड इफ यू फील लाइक कि दिस मॉक थिंग इज गोइंग ऑन ग्रेट, देन यू कैन बाय एनी मॉक सीरीज, दैट इज ओके। मतलब द आइडिया इज कि 30 से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स दे रहे हो उस मॉक को, बिकॉज एनीथिंग अबव 30 इज लाइक अ गुड क्राइटेरिया टू जज योर स्कोर, है ना। तो इफ 30 पीपल आर गिविंग, देन यू गेट अ प्रॉपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, दैट्स वाई। तो ठीक है खुशी, अभी ना ज्यादा फोकस इस चीज पे मत करो कि मैं कहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करूं। अभी सिर्फ उस लेवल पे पहुंच जाओ वेर यू सी सम काइंड ऑफ अ प्रोग्रेस। एक बार वो प्रोग्रेस दिखने लगेगी ना, तो इट विल गिव यू सो मच कॉन्फिडेंस दैट यू विल योर
Yeah.
सेल्फ फिगर आउट नेक्स्ट पाथ। बट अभी अभी सोचोगे ना माइलस्टोन के बारे में, तो बस बेकार ही
Hmm.
लगेगा। मतलब जॉब छोड़ रही हूँ, घर क्यों जा रही हूँ, फ्रेंड से दूर जा रही हूँ, इतना सब सोचना ही नहीं है। बस ये सोचना है कि एक तो यही पाथ था जो चलता रहता, but this current self is not going to uh, help me in my future self, so I want to transform and I'm gonna leave। और नहीं हो पाया कुछ भी, तो भी क्या हो गया, you will, at least you will have some kind of an idea, you can always get back to any kind of job you want, ठीक है। Then if in case you're able to touch 80 percentile, 85 percentile, and you, let's say you get a call from Mica or XIMB or some other non-IM college, and you get an experience of your work ex, if you really slay in that college, right, if you stay in top 20%, you will
Hmm.
already outperform those who are in IIMs but non-serious about their life। तो ये ना बस ब्रांडिंग वाली बात है। एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, लाइफ इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट कैट एग्जाम एंड गेटिंग इनटू द टॉप कॉलेज, उसके बाद
हाँ.
रियल वर्क शुरू होता है। तो ये टेंशन नहीं लेनी कि अगर मेरा नहीं हुआ, अगर मेरा आज जहां पर हो ना, उससे तो बहुत बेटर ही कर रहे होगे, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू pay off your loans in first couple of years, you will be able to draw a good amount of salary। यार बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे ना ड्रीम पैकेजेस और ये सब ना एक्सेप्शनल ही होते हैं, बट यू स्टार्ट, यू गेट अ हेड स्टार्ट, एंड देन you have a superpower. You can open the doors of whatever industry, whatever role, whatever product you feel like, and then you will at least get an interview कि यार ये लड़की तो IIM से है यार, इसको एक चांस तो दे देते हैं। And then it's on you how well you are able to crack that interview, or how you have gathered your skills in the first few years. But life will be more rewarding. Anything you touch, you will have more muscles to touch it. That's the only thing. Life will stay like this. It will be complex. बट इतना नहीं सोचना। अभी बस ये सोचना है कि लाइफ इज अ गेम, लेट्स सी हाउ आई कैन, आई मीन कीप इट लाइक दिस, दैट लाइफ इज अ गेम एंड आई विल ट्राई टू सी दैट हाउ what can happen in next 3 months। I want to surprise myself। फिर आप मोटिवेशन स्पीकर बन जाओगे कि ये देखो मैंने कहाँ से शुरू किया था, मैंने क्या अचीव कर लिया। तो अभी आप कुछ भी ना टाइम वेस्ट करना ही नहीं है। जैसे ही दिमाग खराब हो रहा है, सो जाओ। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम स्लीप इज द बेस्ट सोल्यूशन। एंड
Most of the time I'm doing this only.
या बट सोते नहीं रहना ना ब्रो, एवरी डे ऑल्सो वी हैव टू मेक इट काउंट, है ना। आज भी जैसे
Yeah.
अगर कुछ नहीं तो कैट का सिलेबस ही देख लिया, या मेरा एक
Hmm.
टॉपिक ही देख लिया, कुछ ना कुछ करते रहना, ठीक है।
One
चलो
more
आए,
thing I was
हाँ,
thinking.
वी विल एंड दिस
That
सेशन इन 5 मिनट्स ना खुशी। आई हैव अनदर
okay.
सेशन, इसलिए हाँ बोलो बोलो।
Sure. एक्चुअली मैं ये सोच रही थी कि अगर मतलब व्हाट इफ अगर कैट क्लियर नहीं हुआ तो मैं स्नैप के लिए चली जाऊं.
यस, और क्या ब्रो, वी आर नॉट गोना गिव ओनली कैट, वी विल गिव दैट, वी विल गेट स्नैप, वी विल गेट माई कैट, वी विल गिव एनमैट, मे बी XIMB इज योर ड्रीम कॉलेज। तो ऐसे नहीं सोचो यार, एंड देर ऑल सेम सिलेबस, so we just get to play 6 rounds। ऐसे करना ही नहीं है। अब इस बार MBA करनी है इस साल, अब ऑप्शन नहीं
हाँ
है कि 99 नहीं आया, 98 नहीं आया, अब ऑलरेडी हो चुका है। यू डोंट वांट टू बी
या
एन एक्सपर्ट इन कैट, है ना? तो इसलिए
या
चिल करना है। बस ये है कि एमबीए इज एक्सपेंसिव ब्रो। यू गोटा बी केयरफुल अबाउट योर ब्रांड, अबाउट द आरओआई, है ना? और एक ये लास्ट चांस है, फिर उसके बाद रिजल्टिंग हो जाएगी जोर से, एंड लाइफ विल बी ऑल अबाउट रिलेशनशिप ट्रबल्स एंड प्रोफेशनल ट्रबल्स। तो
या ट्रू
तो ये 2 years will be very special. You will meet so many beautiful people who will become CEOs and what not in next 10 years. तो एक अच्छा alumni network हो जाएगा, खुद की ब्रांडिंग हो जाएगी। 2 years में करना क्या है लाइफ में ये समझ में आ जाएगा। मे बी नहीं आएगा, बट एटलीस्ट कुछ तो समझ में आएगा। सो इट विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। यू विल बिकम अ लिटिल मोर इंटेलिजेंट, ठीक है? बट
या
अब ये नहीं कि क्या परसेंटाइल है, ये सब नहीं सोचना। 90 ही लानी है और कुछ नहीं, ठीक है? आज रात को, आज सुबह भी जब आप वापस अभी सोओगे ना कॉल के बाद, ऐसे सोचना है कि लेट्स लेट्स गेट 90, ठीक है? चलो, ऑल
ओके
राइट, ठीक है। थैंक
ओके
यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग खुशी। आई सेंड यू अ रिपोर्ट थोड़ा टाइम दो, आई सेंड यू द रिपोर्ट।
at least should do share me the study plan from now to
आई
15
आई
and
जस्ट
15
डिड ब्रो, आई जस्ट डिड, बट इट विल बी पार्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्ट, ठीक है?
okay
ऐसे वेट नहीं
okay
करना है कि सामने वाला कुछ बताएगा तो मैं करूंगी। आपको सब पता है अब ऑलरेडी, ठीक है? आई विल
mm-hmm.
शेयर, डोंट वरी, बट डोंट वेट फॉर मी, है ना? कि
Yeah,
जस्ट
yeah.
नाउ यू आर रेडी, यू हैव ऑफिशियली स्टार्टेड योर प्रेप, ठीक है?
Okay.
अच्छा खुशी, इज इट ओके इफ आई शेयर द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑल्सो विथ यू एंड आई कीप इट फॉर माई चैनल, और if I can
Sure,
use
sure.
it, that is fine now. I don't need to
Uh,
blur your face or name.
no, no, no need
Cool.
to.
All right.
There's no issue.
Thank you so much.
Oh.
Best of luck.